The art of spilling ink. Understanding an idiomatic expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language: spill ink. This phrase is not only rich in history but also in meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets of this intriguing expression. Before we delve into the idiomatic sense, let's look at the literal meaning of spill ink. Imagine a bottle of ink tipping over and the ink spreading across a table. This physical action of spilling ink is rarely used in everyday conversation, but it sets the foundation for the idiomatic meaning we're more interested in. Now, let's explore the idiomatic usage of spill ink. In this context, it doesn't involve any actual ink or spilling. Instead, it's a metaphorical phrase. To spill ink means to write a lot about something, especially in a detailed or extensive manner. It originates from the days when ink and quill were the primary tools for writing. The more you wrote, the more ink you spilled. To better understand how spill ink is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Many historians have spilled ink over the causes of World War II. 2. She spilled much ink crafting her novel, ensuring every detail was perfect. In these sentences, the phrase is used to denote extensive writing or a lot of discussion on a subject. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to emphasize the amount of discussion or writing something has generated. It's commonly used in formal contexts like academic writing, journalism, or literature. However, it's not typically used in casual conversation. There are variations like much ink has been spilled or spilling ink, which all carry the same meaning. For instance, much ink has been spilled discussing climate change. The columnist enjoys spilling ink on political matters. These variations add flexibility to how you can use the phrase in different contexts. So there you have it. The phrase, spill ink, is a wonderful example of how English uses imagery to convey ideas. We hope this video has shed light on this expression and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is an art, and phrases like these make it beautiful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.